Hi guys, so tonight, this afternoon, I'm gonna harvest my nectarine. Is this? Give it to my mother. God is giving this. And it's already like ready. So I'm gonna harvest all of. So I'm just gonna. I'll try how it tastes. We'll see. I'll try, guys. I did not clean it, but I'll try. Mmm. Sweet. So guys, let's see what we can harvest. I think I can harvest some tomato. Tomato.